Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a lower ball joint on a Honda Civic. First, ensure your vehicle is safely lifted and secured on sturdy jack stands. Remove the front wheel, then carefully unbolt and hang the brake caliper assembly to avoid stressing the brake line. Next, you will need to disconnect the tie rod end and the sway bar link from the steering knuckle. These initial steps are crucial for safe and effective access to the ball joint. Now let's get that old ball joint out. Begin by removing the cotter pin and then the large castle nut from the ball joint stud. This nut often requires a good wrench. Next, employ a ball joint separator tool to carefully press the joint free from the steering knuckle. Be prepared for a sudden release. Once separated, gently detach the lower control arm, allowing the knuckle to swing clear. With the old joint removed, it's time for the new one. First, thoroughly clean the bore in the steering knuckle where the new ball joint will sit. This ensures a proper fit. Using a ball joint press tool, carefully press the new ball joint into the knuckle until it's fully seated. Then, reconnect the lower control arm to the new ball joint stud and thread on the new castle nut, but do not fully tighten yet. For the final steps, reattach the tie rod end and the sway bar link, ensuring all connections are snug. Reinstall the brake caliper assembly, making sure it's properly aligned, and then mount the wheel back onto the hub. Crucially, torque all fasteners to the manufacturer's specifications. For many Honda Civic ball joints, this is typically between 40 and 50 foot-pounds. Double-check everything for safety before lowering the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.